Ready to get down to work? To recap, in the previous tutorials, we learned that a web page has several functions for both personal and professional uses as a form of generating income. We also learned that a host and domain are the foundations to starting a website. Today, we will learn how to start editing your web page using WordPress. You should already have your domain registered. We will take care of the SiteGround configuration for the hosting part. For security reasons, we will take care of the hosting so that we can protect the account we are all using. Once you send us your domain, we will install WordPress from the cPanel using our hosting site. Definition. What is the cPanel? The cPanel is the most important part of the hosting site. In this case, we will be using SiteGround. It is used to configure your page. With cPanel, we can secure our page with SSL certificate and protect the information on your page. It will also work to keep your visitors safe while visiting your website. The cPanel will also be used to install WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is a software application for creating and managing websites. It is what is known as a content management system, SMS. WordPress is unique because it is a free software. Applications that depend on WordPress Foundation. This type of technology allows you to create your website. In the early age of the internet, web pages were created through HTML coding, which was much more tedious. Let's get to work. Follow the steps to access WordPress and begin editing your web page. Step number 1. We will send you 3 very important data sets so that you can access WordPress. It is very important that you don't share this information as it must be kept protected from you to edit your page. Step number 2. It is very important that you use the administrator link to edit your page. We will send you the administrator link and information on how to access it to edit your web page to your email. Step number 3. When you enter the administration link, it will ask you for your username and password. The username and password you will use will also be sent to your email on file by us. Try to enter the site using the link. If it lets you enter, congratulations. But if you have any problems, do not worry. Contact us for your support. All done. You will have entered WordPress for the first time. Here, you can edit, modify, and personalize your web page. We have finished all of the configuration steps. Again, congratulations. You have won a trophy to continue on to the next level. In the next video, we will start to give life to your web page.